C programming was developed in the year 1972 by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Labs. It was initially designed to improve the UNIX operating system, and soon after it became the foundation for many other languages and modern systems. Over the years, C has evolved through various versions. The first standardized version, C89, was released in the year 1989. Later versions like C99 and C11 introduced features like inline functions and multi-threading support. However, the core of the C programming language has remained remarkably consistent. Well, let us discuss the key features of C programming language. Programs written in C can run on different systems with minimal modification. C allows direct manipulation of memory, making it a fast and powerful language. C can access and control the hardware directly, making it ideal for system programming. C programs can be divided into functions, making them easier to manage and debug. Well, C has several important features that makes it stand out. It's highly portable, meaning the programs written in C can run on different set of machines without changing the code considerably. It's also very efficient, offering direct access to the memory, and its structured paradigm allows for organized and modular programming. Now that we know about the history and features of C, let's move on to setting up our C programming environment so that we can start writing our own programs. So stay tuned.